groundwater. Groundwater is water that comes from the ground. Many people use groundwater but don't even know it. Like, not even I knew it, but now I've done the research, and this is what I'm going to tell you about. Groundwater is what you drink when you're thirsty, and is also used to irrigate crops, which grow food for tonight's dinner. Yeah! Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good! Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good! Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good! Yeah! Groundwater! Is so good!
Yeah!
Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good!
Yeah!
Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so
Yeah!
good! Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good!
Yeah!
Groundwater!
Yeah!
Is so good!
Yeah!
Groundwater comes from rain, snow, sleet and hail that soaks into the ground. The water moves down into the ground because of the gravity, passing between particles of soil, sand, gravel or rock until it reaches a depth where the ground is filled or saturated with water. The area that is filled with the water is called the saturated zone, and the top of the zone is called the water table. The water table may be very near to the ground's surface, or it may be hundreds of feet below. Crikey, I didn't see you there. Have you ever dug a hole in the sand next to the ocean? What happens when you keep digging? You reach water. That water is called groundwater. The water in lakes, rivers or oceans is called surface water, because it's on the surface. Groundwater is used in many ways. It helps our society by providing water for wildlife, agriculture, and the processing of food. Groundwater is misused in many ways. For example, at the coast, if too much salt water enters the groundwater, it cannot be extracted, therefore making the groundwater unusable. Some advantages with groundwater is that you get fresh water throughout the year, but a disadvantage about that is that the water can get polluted, which makes it undrinkable.
Spills and leaks of household chemicals on your property can pollute a wide area of groundwater.
I raise my feet, I miss a beat, throw my seat, don't care, get off my back. I make a sound, I wash it down, round, so round, get off, don't touch my stack. Pressure outside, just hit me high, cause I'm about to crack. 1, 2, 3, turn around, don't you watch me now, just turn around. Touch your knees, don't look, just turn around. Do it now, you make me count to 4. 1, 2, 3, turn around. Watch yourself, why don't you turn around? Can't you see I don't need you around? Do it now, walk right through that door. Who could it be? Don't look at me so obviously. It makes me sweat straight to my head. I'm turning red, touch so unsaid, so I'm all set. And step outside, just hit me high. Before I forget. 1, 2, 3, turn around. Don't you watch me now, just turn around. Touch your knees, don't look, just turn around. Do it now, you make me count to 4. 1, 2, 3, turn around. Watch yourself, why don't you turn around? Can't you see I don't need you around? Do it now, walk right through that door.
Groundwater is simply water you find underground. Scientists say that 1.69% of the Earth's water is underground. Crikey, didn't see you there. Have you ever dug a hole in the sand and then water comes up? Hold on, stop, that wasn't good. I forgot what I was saying. Crikey, I didn't see you there. Have you ever dug a hole in the ground next to the ocean? You know what happens? Water comes up. That water is called groundwater. That's right, what I was talking about before. Surface water is water in lakes, rivers, or ocean. This is called... Okay, edit that out. Groundwater is used in many ways to help our society.
Go.
Groundwater is used in many ways to help our society by providing water for... Groundwater is used in many ways to help our society by providing water for wildlife, agriculture,
Food processing,
and
dairy.
production of dairy and cattle. Groundwater is used in many ways by providing water for our society. Groundwater is used in many ways by providing water for... Groundwater is used in many ways to help our society by providing water to wildlife. Groundwater is misused in many ways, like for example, at the coast. Groundwater can be misused in many ways, and here's just one of them. For example, probably not. Listen to my song, Ray. I was thinking about groundwater, thinking about me, thinking about us. What's it gonna do to my pee? Oh no, that one wasn't as good. You should have got the first one.